Successful people are 100% convinced that they are masters of their own destiny. They are not creatures of circumstances. They create circumstances. And if the circumstances around them sucks, they change it.
I would like to request Honorable Principal Ma'am Dr. Mamta Singh to address the gathering and read annual report.
Good evening to one and all present over here. Reach high, for stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream leads the goal. We delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. It is the changes that we all go through our lives that constantly improves us, and we promise to bring more changes in the most dazzling way possible. I would like to wish you all a very pleasant evening. On behalf of all the staff members and students of Jeevandeep Public School, Varanasi, I cordially welcome our chief guest, Professor Ramesh Chand, Director, Institute of Agriculture Sciences, BHU, Dr. A.K. Singh, Chairman, Jeevandeep Group of Educational Institutes, Chairperson Ma'am Dr. Anshu Singh, and Director Sir Dr. J.N. Singh. I also welcome the other invited dignitaries and all parents to this occasion, that is our school's annual function. In Jeevandeep Public School, we believe that every individual has a lot of potential, and that potential can help accomplish wonders. That is why it's fair to say that we believe that the future of the world starts here. The season of 2018-19 was a great year, and I consider it a moment of pride to showcase to you all the achievements and development that the school staff and students undertook. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of a good institution, and the class 10th and 12th results of the school prove without any doubt that our students have made us proud. The key highlights of the class 10th board results are Srishti Pal of 10th A with 95.8%, Abhishek Singh of 10th B with 95.2%, Trishala Pandey of 10th B with 95%, Vikram Singh of 10th A with 94.6%, Ayush Kumar Singh with 93%, Aditi Singh with 92.8%, Kishan Singh and Naveen Kumar Singh with 91.2% were the toppers of our school in class 10. Srishti Pal and Trishala Pandey got 99 marks in social science. Vikram Singh got 98 marks in science. Ayushi Das and Abhishek Singh got 99 marks in foundation of IT. Srishti Pal, Ayush Kumar Singh and Trishala Pandey got 95 marks in mathematics. Vikram Singh got 95 marks in Hindi and Krishanu Kumar got 94 marks in English. In All India Senior School Certificate Examination March 2019, that is class 12, Srishti Pandey of Commerce Stream with 96.4%, Mansi Kujur of Humanities with 96.2% and Vaibhav Singh of Science Stream with 93.2% were the toppers of the school. Srishti Pandey got 96 marks in English, Ashish Singh Baghel and Shivam Pandey got 95 marks in Maths, Srishti Pandey and Divyanshi Sahani got 97 marks in Hindi, Ronak Kumar Singh got 94 marks in Physical Education, Srishti Pandey got 98 marks in Economics and 95 marks in Business Studies, Mansi Kujur got 99 marks in History and 97 marks in Political Science, Anand Kumar Verma got 95 marks in IP, Ronak Kumar Singh and Sandeep Chandra got 95 marks in Chemistry, Vaishnavi Mishra, Mansi Kujur and Sandeep Kumar Singh got 98% in Music, and last but not the least, Ronak Kumar Singh, Ujjwal Singh, Utkarsh Rai, Simi Kumari, Vaibhav Singh, Divyanshi Sahani, Shubham Pandey and Yuvraj Anand got 100 marks in painting. Dear parents, we are proud to share that our chairman sir Dr. A.K. Singh rewarded the students with 100% scholarship in academic fee for the students who got more than 90% marks and 50% scholarship for the students who got more than 80% marks. Co-curricular activities provides children opportunities to showcase their talents. House-wise competitions like solo song, Sanskrit recitation, drawing and painting, English extempore recitation, group song, group dance, science quiz, handwriting, etc. were conducted throughout the year. Our teachers attended many workshops conducted by CBSE to enrich them in different subjects. Dear parents, our school successfully participated in CBSE East Zone Shooting Championship at Sapphire International School, Ranchi, where about 300 participants from 50 schools from 6 states participated. We are proud to share that in this championship, Vidushi Singh of class 12 won the silver medal. Earlier, she was also qualified for selection in Indian national team for 10-meter rifle shooting. Our students also participated in CBSE Cluster 5 Athletics East Zone held at Dr. Rizvi Springfield School, Kausambi, Allahabad, where 4,500 students from more than 250 schools of Allahabad region, including Varanasi, participated in different age groups. We are proud to share that in this event, 3 students of class 9, Ujjwal Yadav, Saurabh Kumar and Karan Yadav won bronze medals in high jump, discus and 800-meter race under 17 age group. Divyanshi Raghuvanshi of class 7th A and Vagisha Raghuvanshi of class 4th A were awarded silver and bronze medal respectively from Mano Academy of Martial Arts at district level. They also got gold medal and silver medal along with Mahi Singh of 5th A and Saurabh Singh of class 4th A, who got silver and bronze medal in different categories in Alok Tiwari Memorial Cup 2019 organized by Mano Academy of Martial Arts and Varanasi Sports Club. Total 51 schools from different parts of Varanasi participated in this competition. Vaishnavi Sharma and Shivam Pandey received an honorable mention among all the entries received in the All India Essay Writing Event 2018 organized by Sri Ramchandra Mission, United Nations Information Center for India and Bhutan and the Heartfulness Education Trust. Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, a national program organized by Vigyan Bharati in collaboration with Vigyan Prasad, an autonomous organization under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India and NCERT, Ministry of Human Resource and Development, conducted an exam on 28th November 2018. It is a matter of pride for us that Gauri Singh of 6A was the district topper of her class. Sarthak Singh of 7th B and Madhvi Singh of 8th A got 2nd and 3rd rank at district level in their respective classes. Sumit of class 12 was rewarded a video camera in the month of May 2019 by the renowned newspaper Amar Ujala for getting first prize in the selfie category. A state level dance competition named Sanskriti Ganga was held in Sunbeam, Varuna. In this competition, Anushka Singh of class 9th A got 2nd position in the dance form Bharatnatyam. She received memento as well as cash prize by Mr. Ashutosh Tandon, Urban Development Minister UP, and Mr. Manoj Tiwari, MP East Delhi. She also bagged 2nd position in junior group in Sangeet Nritya Mahotsav conducted by Nav Sadhana Kala Kendra College of Music and Dance, Varanasi, which was held on 21st October 2019. About 16 schools of Varanasi participated in this inter-school competition. Recently, Anushka bagged 3rd position in solo dance competition junior group in the event Kashi Ganga Mahotsav organized by UP Tourism and UP Madhyamik Shiksha Board on 7th November 2019. Because of this award, she also got an opportunity to perform at Assi Ghat on the occasion of Dev Deepavali. Avantika is a New Delhi-based group which organizes different events and competitions to promote cultural inhabitants. In one of this national level competition, students of Jeevandeep Public School achieved highest number of medals in Varanasi with 14 bronze, 15 silver and 10 gold medals. Riyans Kumar Singh and Anisha Sahni of KG section got Saroj Award and Sanvi Singh of Nursery, Kashika Singh and Aradhya Uttam of KG section got Silver Jubilee Award. The District Athletics Championship was organized by Varanasi Athletics Association at Dr. Sampurnanand Sports Stadium, Sigra on 27th and 28th September 2019. In this championship, Karan Yadav of class 10th A won gold medal in shot put under 14 age group and Priya Yadav of class 10th B won gold medal in discus throw, silver medal in long jump and bronze medal in 100-meter race under 16 age group. The teacher's job is to help children change for better. The process of teaching is a cooperative endeavor. I wish to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to all my staff members with whose cooperation we have been able to carry out our programs and academic activities. I would also like to express my grateful thanks to the chief guest, our chairman sir, all our higher authorities, the parents community and students whose wholehearted cooperation has enabled us to complete our task successfully. Thank you all. God bless you. Enjoy the evening.